Good morning, guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. It's another weekend for our weekly analysis where I talk about what I expect of the market and what actually comes to fruition. Without wasting much of our time, we will start with our bellwether. Today's date is 20. Today's date is 17th. Yes, right. 17th of December 2024. Then the analysis for today is what I'll be using for today is 16th, sorry. And the analysis I'll be using for today will be what I'll be using for 17th to 21st of December 2023. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into our charts. This is our bellwether. This is our baseline where I start my analysis, the dollar index. So as of last week, I was interested in the market price staying below 106,500. The market price staying below 106,500. Now it has changed. Oh, the market has gone above. Oh, sorry. I'm trying to pick my arrow. Okay. What I was interested in the market price staying below 106,500. Now 106,500 has been crossed to the other side. So what I'll be watching the coming week. That does not mean I'm ready to be bullish on Euro USD. Sorry, on dollar index. What I need is the market price giving me more information. I need more information from the market. So what I'll be watching this red candle. This is my bearish order block. So I'll be watching what the market price will do at the main threshold of the of the order block. So this is what I'll be watching. Let's do this together. I'm watching the midpoint of this, the body of the candle. That is what I'll be. That is what I will base my analysis on. So I'll be watching the reaction of the price around 107.114,155. So if the market price was able to cross above 107.155, that means I'm going for 107,500 not stop. Then I'll be watching the market price attacking this yellow line. So I'll be expecting the market price attacking this yellow line, as long as I have a fully bodied candle above 107.155. So that is how I'll be watching it. So I'll be watching the market's reaction around 107.155. If the market price was able to take that level and it advances, I'll be going for 107,500, and the possible movement into the consequent encroachment of that of our monthly source side imbalance by side inefficiency. So that was what I'll be watching. But the moment the market price reacts and starts trading below 107,155, then I'll be coming back and I'll be interested in 106,000. 106 big figure, 106.000. That will be how I'll be deciding on my bellwether. So you go into the GBP US, which is the cable. On cable last week, I had 1.29 thousand as my level of interest. 1.29 thousand. But unfortunately, the market only reacts at 1.28 thousand. So 1.29 thousand has not been met. Does that mean I'll be condemning the analysis, or does that mean the bias is flawed? I'll be watching two things. I'll be watching the market price coming towards this bullish order block. I have a bullish order block here. There's a bullish order block here. So the moment the market price is able to trade into this and it reacts, let me do this. This level here. So the moment that level has been traded to, I'll be interested in 1.25 thousand. The moment the market price is able to take the mean threshold of this order block, then I'll be interested in 1.25 thousand. So if the market price was able to come down lower, I'm expecting 1.25 thousand. So until the market opens and see how it reacts to this other block, I'll stick to my previous week's bias. But if that level has been taken, I'll be going for 1.25 thousand. Same thing applies to my fiber Euro USD. On Euro USD last week, I was interested in the market price delivering 1.07 thousand, 1.06500, yes, and 1.07 thousand. Sorry. So 1.065 thousand was short of some pips. Therefore, the market price starts dropping. So I'll be watching the market price reaction around 1.04500. So if 1.04500 serves as a relevant support to the market price, then I'll be sticking to the previous week's bias. But if 1.04500 gives way, I will come in into 1.35. I'll be watching 1.03 800. Yes, so I'll be watching 1.03 800. If 1.04 500 gives way, I'll be watching 1.03 800. So let's go to S&P 500. And S&P 500 last week, I was interested in 61,500 to 62, yeah, to 6,200, 6150, sorry, to 6,200. So the market price is yet to go above 6,100. So that means my coming week I'll be reattacking 6,100. I'll be interested in 6,100 level. So on my Dow futures, I was interested in my previous week's analysis, which is the analysis I made on the, I think, on the 24th. Yes, I think on the 24th of November, and thereabouts. So I was interested in 45,500 to 4,600. Yeah, on Dow futures, I was interested in 46,000. Yes, thereabouts. 45,500 to around 46,000. So now the market price has dropped, has went the other way around. So many abnormal things. We are at the end of the year, so just like that, things like this are expected. So on that future, what will I be doing? I'll be expecting the market price dropping into this inefficiencies here, because we also have another inefficiency here. We have a kind of buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency here. So I'll be expecting the market price dropping into this buy side imbalance, and we see if it reacts off this big box here. So the lowest hanging fruit here is 43,500 or thereabouts, around 43,600, 43,600 to 43,500. So 43,600, 43,500, the low hanging fruit objective. So on Nasdaq, which I have a strong belief in, so I was interested in 21,700, 21,800, and possible movement into 22,000. But 21,700 and 21,800 are the levels I had interest. I have much interest in. So 21,700 has been delivered, and 21,700, 21,800 has been delivered. So we are yet to get to 21 900, talk less of 22,000. So at the beginning of the week or the coming week, I'll be watching a close one how the market will react as we are approaching the end of the year. So generally I will only be scalping. So I'll be watching if I could get a movement around 21,700 again and 21,800. So I'll be staying between 21,700 to 21,800 on Nasdaq. So on gold last week I was interested in 26, the movement between 2,600 to 2,700. So 2,700 has been traded to. So 2,700 has been traded into. So the coming week, I will be expecting if we could see this low being violated. So I'll be interested in 2,600. 2,600. We should see a movement above this before the end of the week. You should see a movement above 27. You should see a movement towards 2730. 2730. So if you are coming down, I'll be going for 2,600. If I see the movement up again, I'll be trading towards 2730. So to last but not the least, my BTC USD. On my BTC, I was interested in BTC delivery if it could go up to 110,000. If you could see 110,000 anytime soon. This is yet to trigger. Let me take it off. So if you could see a movement into 110,000. So I'll be watching closely. I'll be expecting go off. I'll be expecting a movement into this if you are to come anyway down. I'll be interested in that. Oh, this is a CB. A BC, sorry. That is a BC. A reaction around 100,000. So we should be able to see this level taken. If I could see this level taken, if I should see this level of 104.030 taken, then I'll be going for 105. So 105 should be on my radar to 110,000. So at this junction, I'll be calling this the day. Thank you for being part of the family. Thank you for coming this far with me. I really love and appreciate every one of you guys. So a quick disclaimer before I leave. I am not a licensed financial advisor. So everything I mention in this video is for educational purpose alone. So the fact that I have my own money behind it does not mean you have to do the same thing. Trading the forex market comes with risk, so you must know your risk tolerance. Therefore, have a lovely weekend, have a lovely week ahead, and be safe. Trade responsibly. Bye for now.